Do you want to know how you can log into your White Oak Mutual Fund account? If yes, then this video is specially for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your White Oak Mutual Fund account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar, then search for White Oak Mutual Fund Login. Click on the first link which appears on your screen. It will take you directly to the login portal of White Oak Mutual Fund. You can see that you can log in using your PAN number. So click on this box, write down your PAN number, click proceed, and then if it is a valid PIN, a password option will pop up. Write down your password, make sure you check your password, and after your PAN number and your password is correct, go ahead and click sign in. And then you can successfully sign into your White Oak Mutual Fund account. If you don't have an account yet and want to create one, go ahead and click sign up and you can create a White Oak Mutual Fund account now. I hope this video about how you can log into your White Oak Capital Mutual Fund account was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.